Hello, friends. Today I wanted to discuss a topic that I think is one that you may find very important if you are a foreign student in the United States. Recently, someone asked me what should they do if their student visa is about to expire. First, let me say that I am not a lawyer. I'm not an immigration lawyer. I do not work for the Homeland Security or the USCIS. The first place you should go if you have questions regarding your visa is to an immigration lawyer. In my case, I was very fortunate to know the Honorable Omari Fullerton. He is a consular for Houston, Texas, in the United States. And I also got the great opportunity to meet the Consul General for the United States. He's based in Florida and he's a Honorable Oliver Mair. So I was fortunate to be connected to the right sources who introduced me to the consular of Houston. So your first resort should be to contact an immigration lawyer or your consular for the country that you are from to find out what are your options if your student visa is about to expire. A lot of people, they don't realize the options that they have. There are many other visas that may be available to you if your student visa is about to expire. There's a H1 visa that allows you to work. There is the work permit for the student visa. You can apply for OPT, and OPT means optional practical training. And there is a list of visas. I think what I'll do is I'll put a list of the most common visas that a lot of students usually apply for after they have completed their F1 student training. So, as I said before, don't panic. There's no reason to panic. Contact the consular for your country. Nowadays, you can just go on Google and search and find out where is the office of the consular for your country. If you're from Jamaica and you're in Houston, your consular is the Honorable Omari Fullerton. And I'll put his address below this video as well. And I can only talk about my experience. My experience with Mr. Fullerton, or Honorable Fullerton. He helped me to be aware of the various options I had regarding the, the, the visas that were available. And whenever I had any issues in terms of my visa, I would go to his office and he is very friendly, very, very approachable person. He will go through your options with you. He will let you know uh, the time limit you have for each to apply for each visa, and he will give you a lot of helpful tips that you need to know and point you in the right direction in regards to resources that are available for you. So don't panic, there is help available. It's just up to you to seek that help. And as I said, I am not an immigration lawyer. I am just sharing helpful information that you may need. Once again, if you are a student and your visa is about to expire, there are options available. I'll put the information below this video so that you can see some of the options that you have available. And as I said before, please contact the consular for your country. You can do a quick Google search to find out who is the consular for your country in the city that you are and where their offices are located. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.